So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Barbara and here we do a lot of lifestyle, beautiful, inspiring content. So let me take you through roughly to how this kitchen is looking like now. Everything is all over the place. Kindly please, in this video we don't judge. In this channel we don't judge, we just have to flow with how things are. So this is the current situation of my kitchen. The kitchen cabinets are looking a mess. Some stuff are clean, some are dirty, but the place is a mess. Everything is all over the place. Up on the cupboard, it's a mess. Inside the cupboard, some parts are a mess. Those things up there, the jars and everything, I have to declutter and throw all that. Down here, don't even say. Down here, it's clean, but if it's not organized, it looks such a mess. So this is how the kitchen is looking at. Over to the rack, it's here. So excited about it. We just had to put things randomly until I had a good day to arrange these things. So this is how this rack is looking like. But I'm sure you will enjoy me like moving things around in this rack, as in everything is moving from one place to the next. I'm sure you will enjoy this video. I'm really optimistic that this video will be one of your most motivational kitchen video you will ever have to watch. So I'll let you watch this video from here, and kindly please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment and refer it to a friend and share it on your social media platforms, because this channel is just getting late. So let's watch this video and see how this kitchen will be looking like at the end of the day. So hi, kindly please ignore this part. Ignore the part that is not painted, because as in here, the painter who painted this place like white, the whole place is white with an exception of here and a part this side on the cooker. But this is where the rack that was here, and this is the new rack. It is so pretty. It's the newest member of this family. So that is how it looks like. It has like 5 shelves, and I want to style it. I want to show you exactly how it is. So the wood was cut to fit into those rods. That is how it looks like. I'm not sure how I'm going to style it, but I guess I'll move things around and see how this thing will turn out. It's going to be very helpful, simply because of the limited space in this kitchen, and I have to work with what is available, and you're going to do this kitchen makeover thing bit by bit. So that's it for the rack. It's here. I'm super excited about it. I'm super excited about it. So let's style it, put things, move things around, and see how this place will look like.
happy, Makeover, body nights. I'm so happy, Makeover, body nights. I'm so happy, Makeover, body nights. I'm so happy.
So many hours later, I am done, and this place is looking so amazing. It's looking well arranged, it's clean. So I did put my cooking oil up there, plus my cups, and that is just my fridge organizer. And behind there I put my glass jars, and down here are my spices, yeah, and my glass bowls plus my glasses. And this other side up there I did put my plates and my bowls, just the whites. And down here these are my everyday usage, so I did put them in this place. Very clean. I put my serving bowls up here, and this place is looking cute, very clean. This other side I put my cooking pots up there. They were very dirty, I had to clean them. That I did that off camera. I cleaned them and they were clean. Then down here are my baby stuff, my sanitizer, warmers, bottles, everything baby stuff is here. So our kitchen rack, this is how it looks like, and this is the counter space. That is, I'm glad it's clean, arranged, though not as cute as I would want it to be, but I'm glad I'm able to see everything in this space. So moving on to this other side of the rack, we did move things around, and I did put my things up there, like the storage plastic things are filled with halfway stuff, my glass jar plus my microwave. As in, this place is looking clean. I'm able to see what is depleting so that I'm able to refill. This space I reserved for my like breakfast area, so I'm having all those stuff there that we use every day for breakfast. Then down here is just some random things that I did put, like my mats and my thermos and some milk. And below my groceries. So this place is looking clean. I'm sure I'll be able to move things around here. Then get this place looking cute. I need to paint behind that rack, so that place I will paint it. The place is looking cute. The place is looking clean, let me tell you. We love the outcome. We loved the outcome of this space. So the next project is putting on contact paper on these tiles, which already have bought them. And if only this place could stay this clean every day and this organized every day. But let me tell you, in the kitchen, you'll just have to go back and check if everything is okay. Like, I had a leak on my sink, which I didn't know. I also need to get a bigger storage for my rice and my unga. So I guess that's it for this video. As in, it took me like 3 hours to have this place looking this clean. I'm so glad you're watching. Thank you so much for supporting your girl. Be sure to give this video a like. Be sure to comment and refer it to a friend, because we're all doing all these things on a budget. So I'll be sure to catch you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.